Road walking.
Why?
Because the Sonora Pass, the highway, is closed in Yosemite.
So how far do we have to go to get where?
10 miles to get to Bridgeport and to get some food.
And what time is it right now?
6:40.
Yay! What's up? My name is Cal, trail name Starburst.
And I'm Lyla or Sugar.
And this is part 3 of our safety updates for the conditions in the Sierras. Do you want to talk about that?
Yeah, sure. The first couple days up through Tuolumne Meadows were gorgeous. We got into Yosemite Valley that was pretty much thawed out. Saw a huge brown bear there. We saw a coyote. So things were very much looking like favorable and like spring was coming. And that was up through like Soda Springs or so, up until Benson Pass, at which point things changed for us when some weather came about.
So we checked the weather in Mammoth and looked like there was a possibility of snow, but nothing really to worry about until, as Lyla was saying, we started to ascend Benson Pass. Unfortunately, things changed pretty quickly. The skies turned dark gray and it started snowing, and it did not stop snowing until we actually exited Yosemite at Sonora Pass. Unfortunately, it slowed us down a lot. 4 days of dumping snow deposited a lot of snow, lots of powder.
I'd say it was between 6 and 12 inches at various points, pretty much mostly above 8,000 feet, which the vast majority of that section is above 8,000 feet. So if you went all the way down, you might be able to find a camp, it's a drier camp spot. But yeah, definitely covered most of the territory, up to a foot deep in some places at highest elevations.
Yeah, so our main objective with making these videos for you guys is we knew that we were the first ones to pass through here because there were no footprints in front of us, at least with these conditions. So breaking the trail was really hard, and there were a lot of dangers that we observed and experienced that we want you to be informed of before you attempt this section.